Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to use the Power Director to make a quick video, let's say unboxing video, which is really simple. In my case, there's not much to do. There are two parts. I've been just cutting out one part here, which was a little bit too much, too long. The problem is I had to rotate. Rotate can be done with the Power Director with clicking on the clip and go to Tools and go to Power Tools, and here we have the video rotation. You can change, you click on that and these are 90 degrees angle. You can use other angles. You then go back and then you have a small picture. The problem is then you have to click. I don't know if I can do that. No, that was not a good decision. Usually can make this thing smaller. Usually it's like this, and then you have to drag it in the corner to make it bigger again. I just do reverse and I have it again. So so how to rotate? What I also do is I click on enhance and usually do the white calibration, something here, and you can see there's a little bit of better white. After that you click on OK and it is done. So that's the basic content. So of course I'm checking the sound if it has the right level, so not too much yellow points, and but you still should be able to see the waves. When they are too small, you have to click on them and drag them up. Of course, not only this one, but also this one. So to adjust, to make a decent volume. So what I have created at the beginning is a little bit an intro. So I went to the beginning of the video, of course, without the bubbles. It was, when I started it was without the bubbles, and I clicked on here, take a snapshot, and then it goes to the output, and I take the output JPEG and I put it here. So that's actually the JPEG. So nobody sees that I have actually somehow extended the video. So I can use another intro and a little bit a sound, which I have already prepared with another sound tool. So it has the exact volume, so it's not too loud, because sometimes it can be too loud, and then you every time you have to adjust the volume. So I didn't want that, so I have already prepared that. So here I have a 3D intro. Additionally, it's something from the FX thing you can download. No, it's not from here, sorry, I'm wrong. Where do I have it from? I think it's here, yeah. So these effects you can download for free from the Power Director, Cyberlink Power Director. I have some which are free. I'm usually using this or this. And so the intro sound, and actually my talking starts a little bit before the intro ends. So hopefully we can start. I don't know why we can't start that thing at the moment. Okay, now we can. I think that's it. So we can see the bubbles. I don't know why it stopped now. For some reason, maybe it was too much recording the video and playing this thing. I don't know why this happened. But anyway, you can see there's a small intro. And here
welcome to the unboxing and quick.
Yeah, okay. It has some problems now. I don't know, something is running in the back. What I have done, a fade. The fade is from the I always have to check on that. The fade is from the, where is it from? Here, I think. Yeah, transitions. Yeah, the fade is from here. So you can drag the fade down, so it has a nice fade, because otherwise this intro thing, this special effects, does not have any fade effect. So I added it by dragging this down to here, and a similar thing at the end. Sometimes I have to add like an extra JPEG, like this thing here. I have to do same thing. I go to the end of the video and then I make like a picture, of course also without the bubbles. I make a picture and then I add the picture to the end, so it looks like I extend the video. But here it was not needed. I had been talking too much anyway, so I just cut here and clicked on that, and I reduced the sound volume so it looks like it's just video extended. And also same thing here with the fade out. I mean the not the intro, it's the, I don't know how to the opposite of the intro. I have this same effect here, the bubbles. Sometimes I do other things, and here the intro sound, which yeah, has already fade in and fade out. I have prepared this in another sound tool. Also here I have a fade, and here as a fade in. Yeah, okay. I could actually probably do a fade out to here. The thing is just this special function here. It's an No, it's not a special function. It's yeah, this thing here. I don't know what it is. Particle room. Yeah, these things often do not have fade in, fade out, and I don't know how to make it. It should be possible when clicking on that, but here maybe for some special particle things it's not possible. So I just added it from the yeah, transition room. So the fade here, maybe fade out, and so, and also this is a little bit longer than the end screen, so I'm still a little bit talking while the music already starting. Maybe we can see that here.
Perfect, and from my side, a full recommendation.
Okay, there was the fade out. Yeah, it's not much. It can be done in a couple of minutes when you're used to that. So a lot of people do crazy stuff, much more sophisticated. This is very simple, but this is how I do if you're interested to do similar thing. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.